The first paper I ever published was in 1996. Probably, I think it's listed occasionally as 1995, but I believe that the publication date was 96, was with my then at the time boss, Julie Erickson, a delightful person, along with one of her colleagues, Sally Stevens, who I never met at the time, and then my mentor, advisor, colleague, AJ Figueredo. And this was part of a project that I was employed on called the Asset Project. And my responsibility was for data analysis and developing measurement models and working with Julie. And as a result of our work together, we published this paper that was the first foray I had into weaving EQS and SAS together to form a pretty interesting test of a measurement model for willingness to change for homeless IV drug users. And what we found was really simple. There was a scale for motivation, readiness, and suitability for change that we found was not really useful in unpacking those three. Instead, we found a higher level factor called willingness to change that predicted retention in the program and eventually housing change. So we found a mediational model, and the mediational model can be shown here with the willingness to retention to housing change in the bottom corner. And the importance of this paper wasn't that it was earth-shattering or anything like that. The importance for me was that it was my introduction into data analysis for a publication, and I really didn't have an idea about what the impact would be. But the paper then led me to wanting to master SAS and EQS, and then later all the stats packages, and then data visualization, and really understanding what this whole process was about testing structural models and how to assess them. So this was the beginning of my career as a data analyst.